Now that you've selected your colleges, either directly by going through colleges and essays and picking them, or by utilizing SmartMatch to discover great fit colleges, and you filled out your information by completing the About You section so that the platform can provide personalized help, we are ready to work on our applications. From the dashboard, select the college you want to work on. We will choose NYU, as it hasn't been worked on. To view which essays need to be written, let's view essays. A quick walkthrough of the college page. You can see the category assigned to this college in case you want to change it, the platform you wish to use for applying, and the deadline you've selected for the college. For example, NYU has 3 deadlines: Ed, Ed2, and RD. Since we've picked the Common App platform, it will show the available Common App essays. If we change it to Coalition, it will update the essays. So, this is a very simple way to change. Let's revert to Common. It indicates that 9 essays are available, consisting of 1 college-specific prompt and 8 options from the Common App. Let's begin by selecting the college-specific prompt and adding it. Next, we will look at the Common Essays. A helpful feature of the platform is showing you which Common Essays you've already completed or are working on. Since Common Essays are standardized across many schools, you likely have started working on a Common App essay. Let's pick a Common App essay that we have not yet tackled. Now we have 2 essays selected. If we go to the Selected Prompts tab, we see the 2 essays we will work on. Let's start with the first one. If you're just starting your essay, the first step is usually to seek advice on how to approach it. Consider what the admissions committee at that specific school is looking for from a high school student and what will impress them. Obtaining advice tailored to your background is what we do exceptionally well. Once you click on Get Advice, the platform will work diligently in the background. You are welcome to continue working on other aspects of your application, or you may choose to wait. You will be notified when the advice is ready through an email as well as an in-app notification. The advice is delivered by sharing the key themes the admission committee seeks. We will also provide a personalization and action plan so you can put together the best draft possible. To provide a complete picture, it will also share the typical pitfalls you should avoid when writing this essay for this specific college. If you decide to share the advice with your collaborators, like a counselor or your parent, you can easily do so by clicking Share Advice, which allows you to email it to them. Once you have the advice and are ready to get started, it can be helpful to have a personalized outline to jumpstart your effort. Let's get an outline. When you click on Get Outline, the platform will work hard to gather previously successful strategies for this college and create a customized outline for you. It will divide the outline into sections and suggest how many words each section should contain. This is exceptionally helpful for getting started. Once the outline is ready, you can share it with your collaborators, such as your counselor or parents, or send yourself a copy. If you like the outline and want to use it, click Use this outline. The outline will be copied to the My Essay tab, so you can start writing. When writing your essay, we provide writing tools to make the process smoother. By clicking on Writing Assistant, you can access tools that can expand, shorten, or transform text snippets. This is exceptionally helpful for speeding things up. We never write for you, but offer tools to facilitate the process. Let's utilize the tool. To work on a snippet, first you need to select the part of the text you need help with. We recommend modifying small text snippets. Let us pick a portion of the text and have the tool shorten it. Select the Select Text tab, pick the text, and give the instructions. We've provided some canned instructions to speed up the process. You can provide whatever instruction you want in plain English, and it will do it. It's your agent. Utilize it. One other very useful feature is access to reference essays. We've heard from students that having access to reference essays would be helpful. What we have done is not only find reference essays for you, but we also utilize the power of our platform to reimagine successful reference essays to match your circumstances. so you can see how a reference essay would have been if you had written it. It's powerful and it's at your fingertips. Here, we also have ways for you to share the essay and utilize the essay as a starting point. By clicking Use this essay, the platform will append the essay to the text in My Essay, so you have an easy reference. These tools are available to help you get started and complete the effort quickly. Advice, outline, and reference essays. Some students have already written an essay draft. You can paste it into My Essay tab. Once you paste it and save it, you can utilize GoodGoblin to improve it by getting feedback on the essay. Our platform has information about what the college is looking for, successful essays from the past, knowledge about you, and an understanding of what a good essay looks like. It reviews your essay and grades it. Let's get feedback. Besides an overall score, it shows you the scoring rubric. In here, we see that there is an opportunity. When we click on that grade, the platform will share why it graded the essay the way it did. Once you understand the reason, if you would like specific suggestions for improvement, just click on Help Me Improve. It will share 5 tips for improvement and categorize them into particular areas. Once you have addressed the feedback, you can run it again. The beauty of the platform is that you can now get detailed feedback and grading on demand, allowing you to improve your essay until you are satisfied. College admissions need to maintain the integrity of the process. And given the ease with which paid counselors can utilize AI to help unsuspecting students, we recommend that every student run their essay through our Integrity Check. Integrity Check will quickly scan your content to confirm it's not AI generated, and you are ready to submit the essay. As we can see in this example, GoodGoblin recommends that this student continue working on their essay. Once you've completed all the essays for your specific college, including the Common App essay, it's important for you to have your application reviewed in its entirety. That is precisely what application review does. It understands what the school is looking for in a student, takes the complete picture of the student into account, including all their essays and grades. And the application also tells the student their chances of admission. GoodGoblin utilizes multiple years of the common data set for the school to do the evaluation. Besides the grade and the likelihood, you can provide specific suggestions on improving your application's quality. It will get flagged if you are talking about the same topic in multiple essays. It's a game changer. This provides a quick overview of how GoodGoblin assists you with your admission essays and college applications.